Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Simply Cooking channel, guys. Today we are making something really quick and easy and healthy. We need strawberries. We're gonna wash it, clean it, take out these leaves and cut them into. Alright guys, so this is our washed and cut strawberry. This is 1.5 cup of strawberry. We will cook our strawberries for until they're softened and the juices has released. We're not adding any water to it. These are just strawberry in a pot. The temperature will be low to medium, not high, just low to medium. And we're just gonna let it simmer in that heat and let the juices release. It's going to be very yummy, 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 yummy. Guys, if you like any other fruit, you can do it with any other fruit like raspberry, blueberry, blackberry, same process, just different fruit. When you're giving a quick stir, make sure you're using a brand new spoon, not with anything else, just brand new, neat and clean. If you're making strawberry jam, you don't want other smells to mix with your jam. This is jam, guys. Jam, we're gonna keep it clean. Guys, we will mash a little bit with our spoon. See if our strawberries are softened. I feel like it's not, so I'm gonna give some more time before I add the next step. Guys, the strawberries are soft. Then goes our 1 tablespoon chia seed. And I'm going to thoroughly mix it. Guys, we will do 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is my organic local honey. Really good, really tasty. Like I said, ingredients are clean. Just to see our sweet and our sugar level is balanced. Perfect. Tastes just like the regular strawberry jam, guys. Amazing, mashallah. Beautiful. Now we'll just do a dash of lemon to preserve the redness and the jamminess and the strawberryness. Give a quick stir, guys. Close the stove, and now I'm just going to let it rest until it's cold. Beautiful, mashallah, mashallah. So guys, this is the end result. I tried the small batch just so I can see how it turns out, how it tastes. Alright, thank you guys. Do try this out. Like, share, subscribe to my channel for new